6th February every year, the Army celebrates Tarehe Sita. This is the day in 1981 when the NRA, later transformed into the Uganda People's Defense Forces (UPDF), launched the 5-year bush war that brought President Museveni to power in 1986, toppling Milton Obote's UPC regime. However, critics, especially from the opposition, say the relevance of Tarehe Sita has been eroded over time. FDC President Colonel Dr. Kizza Besigye, who is a veteran of the Liberation War, says the ideas which they went to the bush have long been forgotten.
Uganda is still bedeviled with the same ills that sparked the action of Tarehe Sita. Elections continue to be rigged, often violently, and with the participation of soldiers who would otherwise be more conscious of the dangers of vote rigging.
In a statement he made last week ahead of Tarehe Sita, Dr. Besigye, now the IPC presidential candidate, cautioned soldiers against engaging in partisan politics.
Desist from being used by the interested parties to frustrate the electoral process.
On the other hand, the UPC Secretary General Joseph Bosa argues that the army has now been fused with the ruling NRM party.
So we must steer very carefully to avoid the situation where this army will be linked with the NRM regime.
Dr. Besigye also stressed that despite 30 years of Tarehe Sita, soldiers still live in a pathetic condition.
Our soldiers are still living in unbearable conditions in shacks that are called Mama Ingia Pole all over the country. I would also like to point out that the UPDF has the best prospects under the IPC government.
Bosa says the army should be answerable to civilian authority to safeguard democracy.
What we see currently is the invisibility of the Minister of Defense as far as the army is concerned.